This is Canada's only all-in-one implant training program, designed for dentists who want a comprehensive, structured, and hands-on approach to implantology, all while meeting RCDSO requirements. Start with 70 hours of online training, including 23 expert-led videos, 12 live AMA sessions, and peer-reviewed literature, all at your own pace. Then advance to a one-day hands-on prosthetic training. Finally, gain one-on-one mentorship and real patient experience with a custom-tailored surgical training program. Perform surgeries, receive expert case debriefs, and build confidence with ongoing support. This isn't just a course, it's a comprehensive confidence-building training solution. Get trained, get certified, get confident. This is implant training done right.